G'day guys, what's going on? As always, welcome to MGA Drive and welcome to another video. As you can see, a package has just been delivered to my door. And yes, I've gone for a Dji Mavic Air. I've gone for the flight mode combo. So it's like a package, it's got all the goodies in there. So I thought what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna have a look at the drone. I've got to say I'm absolutely excited, pumped, can't wait to fly this drone. I've never ever flown a drone before, so this is definitely going to be a first. Hopefully I don't smash it because I know the wife won't be too happy. Alright, let's unbox it guys. Alright guys, so we're going to do a bit of an unboxing for you. Like I said, I'm very excited. I've been waiting a while for one of these and I thought why they were on special. And with the Mav 2 that is currently out, I thought this would be a great time to buy a drone. So let's open this bad boy up. It's not a very good unboxing, is it? Put all that to the side. Now what comes in the box? I guess that's the drone. We'll pop that here. Comes with a lot of instructions on where to fly your drone. You're going to have to register the drone as well. Geez, there's lots of stuff in here for a combo. I'll say that's the drone. What else we got in here? We got a few, I think these are the propeller guards. There's 2 of those, 4 of those. Again, some more instructions on how to fly the drone, which we are going to do as well too. That is pretty much it. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Say this is it, little beast. Now I've gone for the, I think it's a onyx, if that's how you pronounce it, the colour that I've gone for. It's quite small, quite nimble, quite packed. So again, let's open this one up. Alright, what's this say? Information, home button. This is just all too much for me. That's what I think of instructions, but all jokes aside guys, I have watched a full-length tutorial for a brand new beginner like myself. I haven't driven a drone before, so we've gone through it. You know, when you do first get your drone, they do want you to go through, and it's pretty straightforward. Everything yellow with the little yellow tabs on it. They want you to pull all the stickers off, so that's what we're going to go ahead. Take all the stickers off guys, just go around it and make sure that all those stickers, as you can sort of see where the propellers are, they're all numbered. Just pull them all off. It's pretty straightforward. It's not rocket science, as I always say. And they're quite tricky because they're bloody everywhere. Another one there. And there's some here as well too. Another one. And that, hopefully, should be it. Alright, so what we're also going to do, there's the actual lens there for the drone, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off as well too. Make sure that you always keep that, you don't want to lose that, because whenever this thing is in transit, whenever you are taking it somewhere and it's all packed down in its bag, you don't want to scratch the front of your lens on your drone, so make sure that you do keep that at all times. Alright guys, so as you can sort of see here, I was getting ahead of myself. I ended up putting on these propeller guards. Like I said, I have never driven a drone, so I'd say the best thing for me to do is put these guards on until I get used to flying my drone. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pop the other side on. When I actually got my drone, as you could see, the propellers were already on. It does come with a spare set here as well too, which is quite cool. It comes with 3 batteries in the combo pack. The joystick, the controller, and all the USB, all the stuff to basically get your Mav ready to go, to get it charged. It is important guys, you know, all jokes aside, it is important to read your instructions. Like I said, I went through and done a lengthy beginner's tutorial. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put on these guards. We're going to go ahead and put everything on charge. You want to make sure everything's ready to go. I've already downloaded the app on my iPhone. That way when everything is charged, we'll take it down and we're going to do our first flight, our first beginner's flight. Fingers crossed, we should be good. We'll pop the SD card in and we'll see how we go. All right, I'll put the guards on. Just like that, the guards are on. I'm going to say it looks pretty cool. Makes it look a little bit different, but overall, got to say, pretty happy with it.
Take off.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw.